Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is day 9 of Vlogmas, and today I am filming a lace wig install on my client. So right now I am combing back her edges using Gots to Be gel, and I am oiling her scalp as well. So right now I am drying that Gots to Be gel with cool air, and I'm just using my hand to mold it back in place. That part doesn't really take that long because it dries really fast using cool or cold air from the blow dryer. So right now I am putting on her stocking cap, and I am cutting holes near the ear area so that once I put the glue on, it'll lay flat, and when it's time to cut, it won't lift too much. So right now I'm just adding the glue, and the glue I'm using I just purchased at my local beauty supply store. And I'm just using that to mold that cap near her hairline so when I cut it. So right now I'm just cutting in. I'm using a little bit of melting spray from Wig Diller to keep that cap in place. And I'm just using my rat tail comb to melt it. So right now I'm just cutting the cap, and right now I'm taking a concealer closest to her skin complexion to put on the cap just so we can get that bald cap method, so it'll blend really good when we lay that lace on. Next, I'm just going in, cutting in extra pieces. Right now, I'm plucking the hairline. The wig comes pre-plucked. She got this wig from Wig Diller, and the wig comes pre-plucked, so I'm just plucking a little extra more. It didn't really need that much plucking. Just plucking a little more just to get that really natural effect. So right now, I'm putting concealer inside the lace, and I'm going to put some on outside the lace as well, and I'm using the same exact color I use on her cap. So right now I am cutting the lace, and I like to cut around the ear area before I put it on my client's head, just because I get paranoid trying to cut around their ear, and plus it's easier to lay when I put it on. Right now I am putting the glue on, and I like to start with one side and then do the other side. And I used about 3 layers for her. So right now I am combing those hairs back in place, and as I'm combing, I'm pressing just to get that lace to melt even more into the skin. And I'm just having my client hold that side as I pull the other side to press that side in as well, just so it won't lift as I'm pulling it because it's still drying. So right now I am putting on this lace melting band from Wig Diller as well. And we're just going to tie that really tight and leave it on for a couple of minutes just to get it to melt. I'm just going to kind of let you guys watch. I'm not going to talk too much on this part. So right now I'm just about to go over pieces that did not get enough glue just to ensure that it is melted completely around the hairline. And right now I am pulling out baby hairs and pressing down as I'm pulling out, because you don't want to pull while you're doing this. And I like to press down just to make sure it's melted really, really good, as you can see. So right now, yep, I'm just finishing taking out these baby hairs. Just going back in with a little bit of glue on parts that I see were still lifted. And we're putting that melting band right back on, really snug and tight. And then we're going to go in with this wax stick. I purchased this at my local beauty supply store. And we're just going around the front part of her head, edges, behind the edges. Then I'm taking my straightening comb, also got that from Wig Dealer as well, and just combing those hairs back just to get that sleek effect. Really, really sleek and cute. Next, I'm going to part her side part. And then I'm going to go back in with that wax stick and put it right around that part area so that we can get that part nice and sleek and flat. So now I'm getting ready to look how good that looks. So flat and neat and sleek. Okay. So we taking that band off. And now I'm just taking a regular like eyebrow razor and we're just chopping those baby hairs down. Chop, 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 chop. And then we're going to do the same with the other side. And I'm so sad that my camera freaking died while I was in the process of doing these baby hairs, so it doesn't show. But I used some mousse to lay them. But now I am taking the lace melting band off. And right now I am just tightening the back of her wig with those two adjustable straps in the back. Because you want to make sure it's tight and snug back there, girl. We need it to be tight. It came out so cute. And this is a exotic curly 20-inch wig, by the way, from Wig Dealer that my client had purchased. And I couldn't freaking record me wetting and brushing the wig because my camera died. But those curls came out cute. So now I am taking some concealer and an edge brush just to define that part a little more. You'll see the difference once I start applying it. And all you need is very little. And it'll just make this just makes the part pop, you know, pop out a little bit more. And a little bit neater as well. Take your time on this part because you don't want to get concealer all on the hair. And after I do this, I usually get like a rat tail comb and spray like some root spray, but I didn't want to risk messing nothing up because my part was kind of like, it wasn't like a regular straight part. It was kind of straight then a little diagonal, and I didn't want to mess nothing up, so I just left it, and it still looked cute and neat. But what I'm doing now is just pressing the concealer into the hair a little more. And I'm just spraying a little bit of oil sheen to give it a little bit of shine. Give it a little bit of shine, girl. And now I'm just going to comb those baby hairs out just so it can look soft and not, you know, hard and crunchy looking. So we just combing them out some. And then I am going to do the same with the other side. My client's so pretty, y'all. I am so gentle when I do hair, y'all. I'm just watching myself. And it turned out so cute. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this install. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.